Hi, this is Jackie with the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to release your e-learning with Supercheckout and then add the subscriber to Mailingboss 5.0. So the very first step that you need to do is to go and create a list. Now you can see we've created one example called e-learning tutorial, and that's the one that we're going to use. Once you've done that, make sure that you've created your e-learning, because you're going to need that for be able to release inside of Supercheckout. And then you need to go to Cheetah and create the 2M pages that you are going to need in Supercheckout, which is going to be the page where you are going to sell the product as well as a thank you page. Then on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down until you find Supercheckout right here. You're going to click on that and it's going to open up like this. And this is where you're going to click on create a new product. In this example, I've already created a product to save us some time. So we're just going to click on edit and we're going to go through the motions. So obviously you will need to fill in the product information, the pricing, quantification, affiliation, the design. The most important part for us for this example is the email campaign and the integration. So let's click on email campaign and I'm just going to click synchronize just to make sure all my lists is there. Then I'm going to click and I'm going to look for the e-learning tutorial. It's the last one that was added. Once I've done that, I'm going to go to integrations. And right here, you will see there is a place where you can click like a little block to register a new student in the e-learning. And you are going to choose the one that you want to release. Once you have filled in everything on the product area, you're going to click on either save if it is a new product, or update and finalize if you're editing something. Now we're going to click on links and you'll see that there is a checkout URL. We need this URL because that is the place the person is going to go through if they want to purchase your course. So I'm going to copy that. We're going to go back to our e-learning, go down to you see registration and protection. Now for this example, we're going to say registration required to view content. And because it's through Supercheckout, we need to add the custom URL that we just copied right into this area. You really don't need to add the email settings here because it is going through Supercheckout and you've already connected your list right there. Once you have done all of this, all you need to do is click on save. Now you can see that it's been saved and we can now really close all the other pages as well as the Supercheckout, and we are going to go test this. So I'm just going to copy that Supercheckout link right here in my browser and we're going to go through the motions. I'm going to click on continue and then I am just going to make up a name. And we're going to create a password. And we're going to pretend to pay. I'm just going to write that. Just choose any address. And let's just make a payment. Just like that. And we're going to click pay with Stripe. And now it's going to go through the process up to the thank you page. And then I'm just going to close and I'm going to close. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to refresh this page so that we can see that the subscriber was added. So I'm refreshing. And there you can see that the person was added. Let's go double check. We're going to click on subscribers. And you're going to see there is Sam that we've just added through the Supercheckout and they are tagged in Mailingboss. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you in another. Bye.